Hello, in this video I want to show you how to add custom stickers to your server in Discord. And to do this we'll need to open our Discord server, then click on the arrow in the top left corner and here select server settings. Navigate to the stickers and here you can see that for a free new server you will get 5 slots for the stickers, and the more boosts for level you get, then more stickers you can add. Now select upload a sticker. You can choose whichever image you like. Then you can relate any emoji to it, name it, and also add description for the specific sticker. Then we can upload, and as you can see the new sticker is uploaded. You can remove it by clicking on the X button. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.